Have you ever found yourself pondering over the intricacies of an airplane's control panel? It's a fascinating world of buttons, knobs, and screens that command the massive machine soaring thousands of feet above ground. Today we take a flight into this intriguing world. First off, there's the primary flight display, or PFD. This screen shows the pilot the aircraft's speed, altitude, and attitude. Think of it as the airplane's speedometer, altimeter, and compass all rolled into one. It's the primary source of flight information for the pilot. Next, we have the multifunction display, or MFD. This screen provides a wealth of other essential information. It includes a moving map for navigation, weather radar to avoid storms, and traffic information to prevent collisions. It's like the airplane's very own GPS and weather station. Then there's the throttle quadrant. This is where the pilot controls the engine's power. Pushing the throttle levers forward increases power, pulling them back decreases it. The throttle quadrant also houses the controls for the flaps and the speed brake. Flaps are used to increase lift during takeoff and landing, while the speed brake helps slow the airplane down. Adjacent to the throttle quadrant, we find the flight control unit. This device manages the autopilot system. It allows the pilot to set the aircraft's altitude, speed, and heading, and then let the airplane fly itself. It's a bit like cruise control in a car, but far more advanced. Finally, there are the control yokes. These are like the steering wheels of the airplane. Turning the yoke left or right controls the ailerons, which roll the aircraft. Pushing the yoke forward or pulling it back controls the elevators, which pitch the aircraft up or down. So, to summarize, the airplane's control panel is a complex but orderly array of devices. The primary flight display and multifunction display provide essential flight and navigation information. The throttle quadrant controls the engine's power and the flaps. The flight control unit manages the autopilot system, and the control yokes steer the airplane. Remember, though, this is a simplified explanation. The control panel of a modern airplane is an intricate system with each button, knob, and screen serving a specific purpose. It takes years of training to master, but it's what allows us to fly safely and efficiently through the skies. What a marvel of modern technology!